Spend the day with me, guys. We're going to go over some new products. We're going to go over a new product for my hair and some makeup and skincare that I've been using and loving. We'll talk about that one later. Using my L'Oreal as always. This is pretty much what I do every morning as I get the day going. Don't forget the deodorant. Okay. I'm not sure if you noticed any of my shorts lately. For makeup, I have been literally obsessed with this Easy Blur foundation from Huda Beauty. It's buildable, it's beautiful, it's not heavy. I just told my friend about it, like that she has to try this because she also doesn't like to wear heavy foundation. And this is, well, I just do a little spot concealing. I am going out to lunch today, so I'm going to put a little extra makeup on. That is the LYS Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. Loving that. I'm not going to go over each product. I just want to get ready with you. Easy. You see, I just put my makeup on. We're not getting fancy here. This is literally how I do my makeup on my own every day. I think that was a dupe, by the way. I forgot the name of it. I'll put it down below. But it's a dupe of Makeup by Mario's palette. I had no idea. It's like my favorite palette. It came in an Ipsy, so it's not like I purposely bought a dupe. Anyway, I thought today I would go. It's the fall, so I really want to just have every color that screams fall. I'm going out to lunch today with some friends. And it's a Monday. We never do this, but why not? Everybody's home today. It's not that it's a holiday, but meaning my husband's home early and our friends are home today. So we said, let's go to lunch. Okay. Loving that Formless mascara, by the way. I want to go over review a product today. This is from, it's 10, and it's a Miracle Curl Cream. It's for coily hair, it says. Now, this wasn't cheap, okay? I got it at CVS, and it's funny because I didn't get a chance to do this review. I got it last week sometime, and I made an appointment that was wrong. For my hair, I decided last minute that I'm going to get keratin. I've had it, my hair's long, my hair's big, and I never had keratin done where I keep the curls, but I never had it done on my long hair. It was always when I had my hair short. So I'm going to try it. And I went last Friday thinking I made the appointment for that Friday, and it's for this coming Friday. So I realized I'm glad I didn't use this product yet because my hair is not going to be, not that my hair is coily now because it's not, but it's not going to be even near coily, or hopefully it won't be frizzy, but we'll see. Guys, stay tuned to that. I'm sorry I threw you off. I said I was getting it done Friday. It's going to happen this coming Friday. But anyway, this I loved. It's a 10. There was a curl cream, and it was in a dark brown bottle. I do remember that, and I loved it, loved it, loved it. And I don't see it anywhere anymore. And I think I gave it to like my niece because I thought I could always buy it again. But anyway, this does 10 things instantly. Soft, firm, touchable hold, ultra bouncy curl definition, ultimate defrizzer, controls texture, moisturizes, imparts shine, tames volume, coconut and avocado oil infused, helps protect split ends, and it's great for twisting hold. My hair came out so nice, and the only reason I put it back here is because when I'm eating it was just getting in my way. So yeah, now it's time to come home after 2 big sangrias, take the hair down, show you how it's looking, and it looks great still. That's why I like putting my hair in clips versus scrunchie now. Wish I'd known that earlier, but this clips don't take away the curls like a scrunchie would. So I'm just going to do some work on my phone, sit outside, because it has been gorgeous out. Gorgeous. Look at this. The leaves are falling. I can see more of the sky now. Good and bad. Like, I come out here every single day and I sit out here as long as I can. I bring my laptop. I go over emails. I do whatever I can. And Wilma, I cannot get her back inside. She just loves being outside, contemplating her life. Wondering why he's crouton here. But look at this. I kind of wish I did this when it was more yellow to show you guys how pretty it gets, but every season is really pretty back here. It's like I live in a tree house. I am going to miss it. I miss the leaves. But then, the good thing is when the leaves all fall off, I do get to see more things out in the distance. So it's just a different type of pretty, I suppose. Okay, time to come in. If someone's in the living room and someone's all over the house, listen, I take whatever spot I can where I can get alone. And this one will never let me be alone. And Wilma is down by my feet, but you can't see her. So I thought I would do some work on my laptop. Yes, Wilma, you can't see her. There she is. The problem is, every time I sit in my bed, which I don't like to do often, and I'll show you why, they start relaxing, they fall asleep, they start snoring. I get some stuff done, but my bed is so comfortable that, yeah, that's what happens. And then I'm just dozing off. Oh, just a 2-minute nap. And then this happens. Yeah, and then literally 2 hours later, I'm not even joking. It's just when I see these two sleeping, well, I just want to sleep and cuddle up with them. Okay, we finished dinner. And I don't do this every night, but I do like to have coffee every now and then. When I make another cup of coffee at night, I like to make it a little more fun than just like coffee. So I usually have chocolate syrup for chocolate milk. Don't judge me. And I'll put a little of that in, but I don't have any. So I did something that I thought would be fine, and I don't know. We'll see. But God forbid I go in the kitchen without any of my pets bothering me for a snack. That's Mickey. He's becoming so much more cuddly because he's too old to fight. He just gives in, and now he likes it. Never could have cuddled Mickey. He would have been like, no way. Scratch your eyes out. It's my Paris mug. What a great trip I had with my daughters. Oh, I got this from Rare Beauty. I bought it myself. I want to try some new makeup out. And I really enjoyed the Rare Beauty I got. And I realized, oh my God, that was like years ago. So I thought I'd get this lip liner because I always love lip liners. To me, it like could be a lipstick too. Just add a little gloss if it goes on good. And then it comes with a sample. What is that? I don't know if it's concealer or foundation, but I think that's pretty cool. That will go a long way. And this little kit, essentials for your eyes. So I thought that was cute. So we'll do a video on that. I want to do my shorts. I might, again, change it up, start talking more on my shorts. And that's where I'll do more product reviews. Although today you're getting a lot of product reviews because at the end, you'll see I'm going to go over a lot of skincare products. Let's see what Joe's doing. Yeah, the Mets did not make it into the World Series, unfortunately. The Yankees did. So as a New Yorker, we are still going to root for them. Right, Joe? Look at that. The 86 Mets, I remember that. I just started decorating for the fall. I normally don't. When my mother lived with me is when I started to do it. And that's when she started to kind of lose her mind. I don't mean to laugh, but she had dementia, and she would say that they're coming out of the pumpkins. They're coming out of the pumpkins to take me. So I had to hide, and she would hide my pumpkins. Look at my baby Michael. There's me, so cute. I was pregnant with Alina, that picture. Nobody knew. Here we are. Yeah. Snack time. Every time I'm in the kitchen, I get followed everywhere I go. I'm sure you guys are the same. They're good. They're just, he's a lot. So this is what I put in my coffee instead. Now, I don't know. I didn't think it would be, I know it's unsweetened, so I put a little sugar. It's horrible, guys. I didn't finish it. Let's do a checkup on the hair. Hair is looking nice. I hope so, because this was an expensive product, even though I got it at CVS. Just because it's CVS doesn't mean that it's cheap. This was very expensive. They have that expensive aisle, you know. But yeah, it did well for my hair. It's a thick cream. Kept my curls in good. Definitely loving it. It's probably like, it's similar to the one I used to have. I could tell, because now I'm starting to remember that. Yeah, we'll dump in that after this. Can't do it. I know a secret. Joe hid the Halloween candy, and he thinks he can hide it from me, because I'll eat it all up before Halloween. But I found it. Don't overdo it. Okay, guys, I want to go over my skincare with you. This is my Merit. Love that. You can see it's almost done. I switch like every night here and there. That's like a serum. I love my Merit serum. I love my Merit moisturizer here. Again, I switch it up. It just depends on what I'm feeling. I don't use the same stuff every single night. Night and day, I switch it up. Dermalect, great cleanser. Really good cleanser. Gets it all off very quickly. And this is the Dermalect serum. I use this probably once a week. I use this once a week, I would say. You feel it when you put it on, which I like that. I want to feel something happening. I got this from an Ipsy box, and I just love everything rose. So I do that. Speaking of more rose, this is a rose hip oil, if I'm not mistaken. Come on, unblur. Come on. There we go. Rose oil. I put that like all over. I don't know. I like it. I like the smell. Vitamin C, put that on in the mornings. Not every morning. Again, I'm just different. I'm trying all these products out, so I just try them here and there. I want to get this one out of the way. This came in an Ipsy. This is a Fenty dark spot remover, and if I could be honest, it's empty now, and it did nothing for my dark spots. I was so excited to use it, but it really did nothing. So I did start to use something different, and that worked better. It's the red light therapy. I really enjoy using that to get rid of the dark spots. So I held on to this to show you guys, because I keep saying I'm going to do a skincare video, and I haven't. This is a great all-in-one serum from Cure. This I use, and I feel like I honestly don't need to put anything else on after I use it. So that's a definite. And then there's my Cure mask up there. I've been using that every day. I've been bad for the last few days, I'm not going to lie. This confused me. As you can see, I'm staring at this J-Lo bottle, because I know that I have one over by my makeup, and I had just gotten one recently from Ipsy. This must be the new one. I don't know. So anyway, this is another... I just put that in the morning. I like to, it just makes me feel glowy and moisturized and good. Don't do it every day, but when I'm just in the mood for it, feeling like sunshine, I put it on. And when I want to go to bed, I sometimes put this on from Stellis. I will even put this in my hair. I don't know. It's just a moringa oil, if I'm not mistaken. Is it Blue Lotus? Moringa oil. I love that all over. when I can remember, of course. And my Luna Bronze. I haven't used it as much because summer's over, but sometimes you need a little color. What else do we got here? Oh, this is from my $1 Billion Beauty for my hair hack. Cover up with some grays so far. Love this one. I love all of them really. The spray, anything, but this one is really good. It's different. It's a little puff. Again, the match is perfect for me. That's maybe why I love it. You could see I'm already hitting the bottom. This is amazing body butter from Josie Moran. Love it. This has argan oil in it. This was sent to me, but I just love body butters, the way they make you feel. So that I've been loving. This Elemis is great also to remove my makeup. I've been using, like, if I have a lot of makeup on, I'll use different removers. I've been using that. I keep one hair product in my bathroom just so I can have it. Another facial cleanser, which is empty almost, so I'm glad I have the other ones. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.